my lovely viewers. Do you know at this time where am I? I am in Switzerland. Today we are going to visit a waterfall. Let's go.
Guys, let's go to the waterfall. Come on, guys.
Yeah. Ooh, kind of looks interesting. Come on, guys. Yeah, don't be so slow. Guys! Buy ticket! Come quick! I'm excited to see the waterfall! Take a look at this.
Yep.
Okay.
You have to go.
Oh,
There.
Come on, guys, look! Can you guys see the waterfall? I think it's still hiding. Come on, guys. Let's go down to the... Guys, hurry up! Come on. Guys, let's take a view. Guys, this is awesome.
Ja, ein Jahr und dann fährt
Yeah. Wow. Oh, wow. This is a lot of noise here. Come on, guys, let's just hurry up and go to the waterfall. Where's Baba? Baba and Omar, let's go down to the waterfall. Over there? All right. Oh my goodness. Come on, guys. Guys. is that? I can see a train. That is pretty long. Guys, let's go. Wow, everything looks blue. Guys, come on, take a look at the blue one. Guys, take a look. Look in the blue one. Whoa, I don't think you guys can see properly. Take a look in the yellow one. Okay, guys. Whoa, guys. It is awesome. Guys, come here to the green one. It looks nice. Red. Guys, this looks even awesome more. Guys, it almost looks like in the red one, it almost looks like that the water is lava. Come on, guys, look at the red one. See, guys, it kind of looks like it's lava. Look, guys, let's come and look in the golden one. Maybe then, whoa, awesome. It's like a swamp. It's like a swamp. Now, guys, let's go here to the yellow one, guys. No, it kind of looks like the water is filled with gold and money. Gimme. Okay, come on. Original view. Green water. Red water. Orange water. Red water. Isn't it awesome to look at the waterfall? Yeah! Come on, guys, let's go down the stairs. Different color waterfalls was fun to look at. Red color waterfall. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's have a better look at it. From going down towards it. You think we'll just fall down? No. Well, we're going on a boat. We're going on a boat. Then. Well, guys, let's have a better look here. Oh my goodness. Wow, isn't it awesome? Pretty awesome. Well, let's go, guys. Guys, come on. Yeah. Isn't it awesome? Isn't it awesome? Pretty cool. What? Guys? Oh my goodness, look how long is that plane. Wow. The water is awesome. It's like crazy. Come on, guys. Let's go downstairs and have a more closer look. Well, already looks kind of beautiful, but we still have to go on a boat. Should we go that way? No, not that way. We're going that way. let's go. Well, it looks kind of beautiful. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Wow, it's awesome! Guys, let's look if there are any fishes down there. Are there any fishes? Tell me. Are there some fishes? Okay. There has to be fishes in such a big place. Guys, come on! Guys, come on! There have to be fishes here. Guys, come on! Oh my goodness, so many locks! What are these? Four! Hey guys, what is this? Look, smoke! It's like smoke! Can you see the rainbow? Wow! Come on, guys, let's go. Guys, come on, let's go even more closer to the waterfall. Well, getting scary. Ah. What looks kind of beautiful. Well, guys, don't be such a scary egg or slow poser. better. Come on, guys. We have to go even more on. We have to still go more closer. Come on, guys, hurry up! Don't be such a slow poke. Guys, come on! Go even more lower. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Rainbow, yeah, I can see the rainbow almost better. Come on, no water splash. Guys, water is coming to me. Hey, come on, water splash. Hey, no water splash. Me. I am not scared. Look, the water's like creating fog. Come on, oh man. I'm on all those fog. Fog. Oh. Yeah. Bye, waterfall.
Bye, Waterfall. You're so scary.
Bye, waterfall. You're scary, but awesome.